What a one! Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV, guys. Sports is supposed to be fun, competition, competing with your peers, competing and have fun. Now, guys, this is not a joke video. This is real video. Something that happened in real life, and I want
turned out to an attack during a high school track and field relay race. One runner hit another in the head with a baton. Janae Norman here with the story. Good morning, Janae.
Hey, George, this is a crazy video that you have to see. It's unimaginable, unsportsmanlike conduct on the track. This morning, a high school track star is still recovering nearly a week after being hit on the head by another runner during a race.
Afterwards. Here we go.
Junior Kaylin Tucker was running the second leg of the 4x200 relay in the Virginia State High School League Championships when the shocking incident happened.
That's when she hit me with the baton.
Watch again as you see the two sprinters running side by side as they round the corner with Kaylin on the outside. Kaylin's mother cheering her on.
Did you see that? Watch again.
Just as Kaylin is passing the other runner, the athlete swings her baton.
Watch again, right about
Kaylin.
Here.
I just felt a bang.
Did you see that swing?
And then I fell off the track immediately.
Kaylin dropping her baton and reaching for her head.
The whole Coliseum pretty much gasped.
That's not,
I just jumped up
that's
out
not
the bleachers
running.
immediately and ran to her on the main floor.
The 16-year-old was later diagnosed with a concussion. The family says neither the athlete who struck Kaylin nor the other team's coaches checked on Kaylin or reached out afterwards.
To see that they kept running and she not stop and check on my daughter, that was the part where I was like, it couldn't have been an accident.
The other runner, who attends IC Norcom High School, has not been named. Kaylin's parents say Norcom's athletic director and the girl's father apologized in a phone call, but they're still waiting for the opposing athlete and her coaches to reach out.
We definitely want the coaches and a personal apology from the actual athlete as well, because it's only, it's only right.
The Virginia High School League saying in a statement, "We thoroughly review every instance like this," adding, "The VHSL membership has always made it a priority to provide student athletes with a safe environment for competition."
Meanwhile, Kaylin's parents say that they're still waiting to see what disciplinary actions will be taken against the other athlete before deciding their next steps. In the meantime, guys, because Kaylin's been recovering for a week, they're hoping that she can finally return to school today.
Guys, when I watched this video and I realized that it's a track and field meet, that you go, you compete, you have fun, you try to win. You try to win against other people that you're running with, not try to use the baton as a weapon. That's right there. That's violent attack on a person right there. So right now, guys, I don't know what is going on with this news, but I'll follow up. Guys, this is a very sad incident. Now, you send your kid to a track meet and you are there cheering your kid on, happy for your kid, to see your kid running, enjoying herself, and all of a sudden one swing of a baton, concussion, that could lead her to brain damage, that could lead her to a lot of things, just because somebody cannot take losing. Because as you see in the video, she was about to pass her and she just believed, no, you shouldn't pass me, or you cannot pass me, and hit her in her head. There's so much things could happen to her, and we have no idea what go happen afterwards, but these are the things what we are really talking about, and parent, talk to your kids. Let them know that whatever you're doing, do it fairly. And if you even lose the race, if you even lose something in life, get up, dust yourself off, fight again. Let's move on for that thing. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Right, guys? So, on the behalf of Rodney's Lifestyle and Real Talk TV, I'm out. Until the next video, I will see you next time. Peace. I'm out.